With Sytel software, contact centers can increase revenue and reduce costs, maximizing both customer satisfaction and agent performance. Our uniquely flexible platform, Softdial Contact Center, or SCC, supports all contact channels: voice, email, chat, SMS, or social, and provides everything today's contact center needs to excel in a single modular package. SCC makes best use of agent time, keeping them engaged and productive. Agents can handle several live text sessions at once, switching easily between them so no time is wasted, with SCC automatically balancing the workload of all types between agents. Its AI-powered predictive dialer maximizes the time agents talk with live customers, while respecting customer preferences and complying automatically with any legislation. SCC enables great customer service too, on the channels they prefer, with smart routing features and sophisticated IVR and chatbot services to handle less complex tasks. For enterprise users, SCC can be deployed to fit any business model, fully on-premise, fully in the cloud, saving on upfront costs, or any combination in between. SCC offers an easy path to digital transformation in virtually any legacy environment, integrating with surrounding applications and services through comprehensive APIs. And with SCC deployment proven on all major cloud providers, a partner can set up a business providing a complete contact center as a service to many separate customers wherever they are in the world. Each customer can have their own branding and a tailored toolset. Partners can get up and running quickly, expand with ease, and enhance, adapt, and customize SCC with their own add-ons, applications, and chargeable services. So, whether you are an enterprise user, reseller, or hosting partner, Sytel can help drive your business forward. To find out more about Sytel and Softdial Contact Center, check out the other videos on our channel or visit sytel.com. Thanks for watching.